So do you ever find yourself getting all set up with your GoPro, getting ready to shoot video, do a time lapse all day, and then you find out you have a low battery and you're like, man, do I have to change the battery again? And the other thing is, the batteries don't last that long and you're 1.5 miles away from the nearest outlet. Hey, I'm gonna show you a simple little hack for the battery. This is what I do when I do a time lapse and I'm out here time lapsing for 8-10 hours at a time. This is my little hack. All right, there it is. It is a very simple hack. I have an old two-wheel truck cart, a two-wheel cart, and I put a battery on here. The battery, just a nice little bungee cord right on the bottom that holds it to the thing, and then I go up to a nice little power inverter. This particular one has more power than I'll need to do what I'm doing. It also has a USB, so if you're out here, you can be charging your phone or whatever. It's turned on. I have my GoPro plugged in and right up to my GoPro. And just like that, I was at 4% power, now I'm up to 12% power, and we are going to be filming here pretty much all day. Working on the hugelkultur here, moving dirt, so I don't have time to drag cords around, I don't have time to check in and switch batteries. All I'm going to do is set it and go. Okay, that's a really cool hack, but I'm going to give you one more. You want to know the coolest thing about this little setup on the two-wheel truck cart? It moves so easy. So you can get multiple shots within minutes without having to do anything. You just grab it, grab that handle right in there like that, and voila, I drag it down a little bit further. Now I'm in position, just like that. I reset it, and I'm good to go. Well, hey, there you are. That was a quick little tip on kind of a camera, tripod, mobile, battery, all kinds of neat things. Hey, Glenn with the Gardens of Castle Rock and all kinds of other fun things. Thanks for watching. Hey, would really appreciate it if you would like this video, share this video, give it something, I don't know, a thumbs up, a like, or whatever, and most important, subscribe to the channel. I'll do more little interesting, fun little things all the time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.